People ask me all the time what I use on my skin. They want a product name, a brand, a miracle in a bottle, and I always disappoint them because my answer isn't a product. I'm in my 50s now. People say I glow the way I did in my 20s. But the truth is, at 20, I didn't glow. I was confused, frustrated, and drowning in advice. What changed everything wasn't something I bought. It was something I learned. My skin wasn't a problem to be solved. It was a story to be understood and a practice to be kept. Then I found a book that gave my problem a name. Skin Noise, the flood of products, trends, and conflicting claims that gets in the way of what your skin actually needs. The industry sells complexity. My skin was begging for simplicity. That book introduced me to a framework I've now used for over 30 years. 8 letters. Personal, profile, eliminate, restore, stimulate, observe, nourish, align, lock. Not 8 steps you finish once, 8 lenses you return to for a lifetime. The book called it a skin practice, like a yoga practice, something that's yours, something that evolves with you. It started with the first letter. Profile. Know your skin. I learned the most important distinction in skincare, skin type versus skin condition. My type, combination from my genetics, was stable. My conditions, the breakouts, the irritation, were temporary states with causes I could find. And I learned my place on the Fitzpatrick map. With my Middle Eastern ancestry, I tan easily and rarely burn. But every pimple I picked at could leave a dark mark that lingered for months. And that's when the frustration turned into an idea. Every product claimed results. But results for whom? Measured how? I didn't want claims. I wanted evidence about my face. So I built the tool I wished existed. I called it Nura, an app that analyzes a simple selfie with AI, tracks it over time, and shows you your skin's real trajectory. It keeps you honest with your routine, sends a progress report every month, and answers the only question that matters. Is this actually working? For me? The book taught me observation is the engine of the whole method. Nura became my engine's instrument panel. 2 products I love turned out to be passengers, not drivers. One humble ingredient turned out to be doing the heavy lifting. I stopped paying for marketing. I started paying for measurable results. Start today. Not because your skin needs fixing. Because 30 years from now, you'll be standing at a mirror like this one, meeting the glow you began building today.